멈춘 시간 속 잠든 너를 찾아가 아무리 막아도 결국 너의 곁인 걸 결국엔 여행을 끝내 이젠 돌아가 너라는 집으로 지금 다시 way back home.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, I will show my video content to fulfill my first digital literacy assignment. Here, I will practice being a tour guide in tourist spot. Borobudur Temple Tourist. Welcome to the Edutainment Hub, your education, entertainment, recreation, destination on behalf of travel and tours. I am Wanda Hanifah, you can call me Wanda, your tour guide for today. And now, we are going to Borobudur Temple. And while we are heading to our destination, let me tell you a few reminders. 1. Put your trash in a trash bin. 2. Never leave or think unattended to avoid unnecessary loss. 3. Do not demake or scribble on the table. 4. Obey all exciting regulations at tourist attraction. Welcome to Borobudur Temple. Borobudur is a Buddhist temple. It was built in 9th century under Sailendra dynasty of ancient Mataram Kingdom. Borobudur is located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. Borobudur is well known all over the world. Its construction is influenced by the Gupta architecture of India. The temple is constructed on a hill 46 meters high and consists of 8 steps like stone terrace. The first 5 terraces are square and surrounded by walls adorned with Buddhist sculpture in bas relief. The upper 3 are circular. Each of them is with a circle of bell-shaped stupa. The entire upper structure is crowned by a large stupa at the center of the top circle. The way to the summit extends through some 4.8 kilometers of passage and stairways. The design of Borobudur symbolizes the conception of universe in Buddhist cosmology. It is believed that the universe is divided into 3 spiritual spheres, Kamadhatu, Rupadhatu, and Arupadhatu. The first sphere, Kamadhatu, represents respectively the sphere of desires where we are born to our desire. The second sphere, Rupadhatu, represents from where we abandon our desire but are still born to name and form. And the last sphere, Arupadhatu, represents formlessness where there is no longer either name or form. Borobudur Temple, which is dedicated as an Indonesian monument in 1983, is a valuable treasure for Indonesian people. With its magnificent size and architecture, no wonder that Borobudur Temple includes 7 wonders of the world. The price of admission to Borobudur Temple is a little expensive, namely, adult IDR 40,000, children IDR 20,000, international USD 25, international student USD 15. Meanwhile, the parking fee at the Borobudur Temple is 3,000 for motorbike parking, IDR 20,000 for car parking, and IDR 30,000 for buses. Borobudur Temple facilities are quite complete for visitors who want to visit Borobudur Temple, including food stalls, lodging, souvenir shop, telecommunication shop, quiet, information center, toilet, and prayer room. Interesting destination in Borobudur is 1. Samudra Raksa Ship Museum. Samudra Raksa Ship Museum is still in the Borobudur Temple Tourism Park area, about 280 meters on foot from Borobudur Temple. Inside the museum there is real-size reconstruction of the Borobudur ship, which is named the Samudra Raksa ship. Second, Borobudur Indonesia Unique and Art Gallery. Borobudur Indonesia Unique and Art Gallery, or GUSP, is a museum which is also located in the Borobudur Temple area. This museum is also known as the Muri Museum because it houses various unique objects that break records. Here, visitors can see the smallest golden Buddha statues, the largest and smallest Laurent Blonyo statues, painting made of bad soap, the biggest batik shirt, the heaviest sweat, and many more. Third, Borobudur Market. Not only historical and natural tours in the tourist area of Borobudur Temple, here you can go on shopping tour at the Borobudur Market. This market is a traditional market that sells a variety of basic needs. Not only that, this market also sells a variety of typical snacks of Borobudur and Magelang, as well as souvenirs typical of Borobudur. Okay, that's all for today, tourists. Hope you enjoy and educate, and if you have questions, do not hesitate to ask me. And for more information, visit the website borobudurpath.com. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
No more, it can't